Welcome to my channel. I welcome you all back to my channel. My name is Aisha, popularly known as Atta Culture. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to draft basic sleeve pattern. So let's start. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be drafting a long sleeve pattern. So the measurements we'll be needing for drafting our basic sleeve pattern is we will need our full length, the length of the sleeve, we will need the bicep, the elbow, and the wrist measurements. So the full length I'm using for the sleeve, I'm using 22 and half for the sleeve. So this is our starting point, and this is 22 and half. So make it a straight line. So from there now, bicep I'm using is 14, the elbow is 12, while the wrist is 9. So this is our wrist. So now I'll come here for the standard measurement from the starting point to our bicep. I will be making use of 6. I'm using 6 inches. So this is the 6 inches that I'm using. Sorry, 6 inches. I'll be making use of 6 inches. I come here from this point, from our bicep to the wrist. You take the measurement, you divided it by 2. So this is 16 and half inch. So 16 and half inch divided by 2, that will give us 8.2. So I'll come here. This is our 8.2. So from there, from this point, I go up by half inch. From this point, you go upward by half inch. So this is it. So from that particular point, so that's it. That's our elbow. That's our elbow. So this is our bicep. This is our bicep. This is our elbow. So now we'll be taking our center line, which is called the green line. So let me draw a straight line at the center point. So I'm drawing a straight line. So this is we call it the center line. Center line or green line. So from there, we come here, we take our bicep measurement. From there, our bicep is 14. 14 divided by 2, it will give us 7. So let me make this a little bit. So 14 divided by 2, it will give us 7. So this is our 14. This part. come to our elbow. Our elbow is 12, so 12 divided by 2, it will give us 6. So this is our so our wrist is 9, so 9 divided by 2, it will give us 4.5. So we connect the lines together. And see the way I'm connecting the points. So you connect the points together. So this is the bicep, elbow, and the wrist. So to create our sleeve head now, as in the sleeve height, so we come here from this point, make it a triangular shape. So from this point here to this point, so this is our sleeve head. We've created our sleeve head. So now to create our sleeve cuff, so we've created our sleeve head, so to create it in a curved way. So as you can see, it is in a triangular shape. So now to create our sleeve head, from this point to this point, we take the measurement and divide it by 2. So this is 9 and 2 bar. So 9 1/4. So here we divide it by 2. So if we should divide it by 2, it will give us 4.5 and a bar. So this is it here. So from that point, we've already divided by 2. So from this place, you will not divide this place from here. You will divide it by 2 also. And you will divide from here to here, you will divide it by 2. So let me take the measurement and I'll now divide it by 2. So we divide this place by 2. 4.5 and a bar. It will give us 2.3. So we come here, we take the measurement, so this is it. So this is it. I will come here also, same thing. Give us 2. So this is it. So from this point now, we come to this point first. We go outward by 0.8. So here, as you can see, is 0.8. You see, this is 0. We go outward by 0.8. So we come to this side also. We go outward by 0.3. So this is it. So we come to this third point. This one, this point, this one. this is a mistake. This one, we come to this one, so we go inward by half inch. So this is it. So from there we create our sleeve head. So from this point, you use your so you can see the way. So you connect it to here. So this is our sleeve head curve. So I need, this is the front and this is the back. This is the front and this is the back. So the standard measurements we are using, from here you go outward by 0.8, here is 0.3, while you come inward by half inch at this point. At this point you come inward by half inch. So this is it. You see the way it is. So that's for the front. So to create the back side, we also divide it by, we divide it by 2. We take our measurements from here, we divide it by 2. So this is 9.2. So 9.2 will give us 4 and 4.6. So that's 4.6. So this is it. So from there we divide this side. We divide this side by 2. We divide this side also by 2. So you come here to give us 2.5. So 2 points to give us 2.2. So to give us 2.2. So as you can see, so we come to this side also, take same measurements to give us 2.2. So at the back side, we come to this point, this third point here. From here, 1, 2, 3. So we come to this point, we go outward by 0.6. So from here, you take your measurement is 0.6. So this is our 0.6. We come to this point, we go outward also by 0.3. You know, we go outward here by 0.3. We go outward also by 0.3. So this is 0.3. So we come to this side, we go inward by 0.4. So this is our 0.4. We come to this point, we go inward by 0.4. So this is it. So I'll be creating my curve now. So from here, you use your armhole curve, or this is it. can see the way I change this thing. I have to change it to the other side for me to get that shape. So I see it. So from there we go it this way to this point here. We've created our sleeve head. So this is it. So now we are going to add ½ inch to the side. So, and here we also add ½ inch for the folding at the wrist, so that if we want to fold it in with our lining, so we'll fold it in with our lining, we'll add ½ inch round to it. And you can add 1 inch to this side. You can add 1 inch to this side and ½ inch to the other side. So let me do that. You add ½ inch to here. So let me cut it out for you to see. This is the back and this is the front. So this is the final look of our when you are placing it on your material, you will need to add ½ inch to this side. So you add ½ inch to it, to the both sides, both the front and the back. So this is it, as you can see. So if you find this video helpful, you can kindly give it a thumbs up. If you have any question or suggestion, you can drop it in the comment section below. Kindly subscribe to my channel and make sure you turn on your notification bell, so whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Thanks for watching. Bye.